This is a very sound and wonderful advice to Ken, Palace of Justice. That is about to say, we are back to our page. Make sure you share this video. Go where one now work Ken, Palace of Justice. You want to go? Advice to Ken, Palace of Justice. Ken, Palace of Justice, as you watch this video, this is me, Ezugo, giving you this advice from a place of love. You are welcome back, brother. You are welcome back, brother. You are welcome back, brother. But the advice I want to give you is, ever since I announced your freedom from detention, one man who we know to be the king of saga, even though that of recent somebody has shown him that he is still learning where saga is, has decided to turn your freedom into something else. We have seen him. He has decided from the very first time I announced your freedom, he has decided to sagarize your freedom. He has decided to turn your freedom into a saga. He has decided to ideologically and stylishly draw you into a saga that you don't know anything about. You wanna go? He has been trying to build a mantle of hatred in your heart against a certain kind of people. Ndoka this, ndoka that, ndoka meunga, ken adropo good n'ime prank. Ndoka diri enije me prank. Ndoka diri enije me prank. When Ken, Palace of Justice was arrested, it did not take few days to his arrest. After his arrest, the information of what led to his arrest was there on Facebook for people to see. So the issue of trying to say Ndoka feel we know what happened to Ken. It was on this Facebook that everything was clarified, and we knew that Ken, Palace of Justice, Jerime prank away today. We knew about that. About a new thing. Somebody is trying. I told you people, he is not a man of peace. He is not a man of peace. He doesn't like peace. It's just that na nife kante bekutelunte no. Yes. Nife kante bakutelunte no. Mmiri juru awọ ọnụ. Ife kali nwoke etiri nwoke wee nọrụzie ka asị na ọ dị ekwu n'okwu. Ken, Palace of Justice, I don't intend to stay long at this broadcast. I want to give you an advice. Owevere Serugu na JPAC. So I will not tell you to stay away from JPAC. Owevere Serugu na JPAC. But I will not tell you to stay away from JPAC. Do not allow JPAC to recruit you back into saga. You are back, all thanks to God. Put the pieces of your life together and move on. Put the pieces of your life together and move on. You are not a new person into content creation. You have built pages to thousands of followers. It will not be difficult for you to put yourself together and move again into the social media space. Do not allow him to cajole you back into saga. He is about to lakolagonando kisiono. He has started inciting you. He has started preparing you. Do not allow him. I love the fact that I can see wisdom in you. Everything on you, he just now say, yeah. You are not saying anything. All the while I did not hear you say anything. You are only saying, oh, it just when you see. Also, we need decide there, na ya bia Nigeria. Na nyanwa ya maya kana, we gbalu ticket or water, half of it na okpota mu ho. Nde okay. ide nụtada nụtada nwaanyị dụka nwunye m. Ịnụta n'ihe nwaanyị dụka nwunye m, you will be glad and happy. Ịghọtago? So ọ sịrị gụ na ọ wụlụ na ịbatara na ọ emeleghu nke a meelu nke a, o meelughie kenesie ya ike. Ịghọtago? Kenesie ya ike. Oke, edega Onyeka na-egosi n'onwe ụnụ pịam ozugbo ozugbo. Ịghọtago? Ịghọtakwa ife nna gwa help ọwụna and assistance ọwụna onye eluwu kene ihe n'obi ọshagụ sie Chineke gozie ya, kpeelu ya ekpele, kpeelu ya ekpele, but do not allow him to mislead you this time. He is now gradually preparing you, knowing fully well that no man Ken batana saga na Ken ọchọ ka o bido n'ụtụtụ mbụ a wee recruit wee Ken. This is ọ na-achọ ka o recruit o Ken, nothing else. But when people say he's a peaceful man, he's not a peaceful man. Ken esibo na detention pụta ozugbo ọ chọrọ na ka o incite ya Ken, ọ prepare wana mind dey Ken ka Ken bido bakọba ife ya agwa ndị ụka, ọ prepare wana ndị ụka this ndị ụka that. JPAC ndị ụka ya etipụkwanụ gị ala. JPAC ụka ya etipụkwanụ gị ala. Ụka ya etipụkwanụ gị ala. Hapụ Ken Palace of Justice ka o zuo ike n'ụka si na detention pụta. He is here to cope with the trauma o mitiri n'ime ebe ahụ o jelu. You are here now inciting him. You are inciting him. Ken Palace of Justice, be wise, be wise. If he helps you, take the help Onyelugu and thank him very much. It's not JPAC that should prepare you nshia video eshia munka. Onwe onye ya nụ na Ken na-eme video onye ha ya bịa watch go. Let us tell ourselves the truth. You successfully build 2 pages to how many thousand followers? Who says nobody, people will not still be willing to watch your videos? Who says people are not always willing to hear from you? It won't be difficult you building your page, even if you want to build another page. It won't be difficult. You may not be needing the help of JPAC. If you showcase away chini or patakwande mmadụ, ịghọtago na echi niile na ya pụtakwande mmadụ n'ọkwa mgbe Ken si na prison wee pụta n'ọkwa mụnwa JPAC mere nke a mee nke a. Onye who help na real help see thank you. Move on with your life. Move on with your life. Choose a path. Choose a path. Choose a path that is going to profit you. Be at peace with all men. Be at peace with all men. Be at peace with all men. Do not allow anybody to poison your mind into developing and building hatred against a certain set of people. That is what he is good at doing. Go and watch the videos on him about Ken since Ken uji wepụta. Kiwefu. When I tell that guy I brought a good somebody. That guy doesn't enjoy peace. That guy is not a preacher of peace. It's just that no Ogechi Okeke Njakan into Mamrisi when you're Ogechi have proven to him that if you Abalaba of Facebook saga, Obafelu, he's shaking out. He's shaking down. He ran away from Ogechi. He ran away from Ogechi. Now, if you should go prepare our Ken Palace of Justice, go prepare our Ken Palace of Justice. Leave that guy alone. That guy went through a lot. That guy passing through a lot. He is out. Allow him to have a moment of reflection. Allow that guy to catch up on what he has been missing. All the things in our career, the only thing Facebook or can I put over, he was trying to run away from your long stories. In a man of hatred, forget about Ndoka, Ndeselina Fana Joka. Now if I have a page, blah 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 blah. Then I hear baby prank and oh, if it's Ndeselina had a joker, oh, how many nwa ogburu jezie ka o jebe prank bla 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 bla. Onye unu sịrị na ọwa ezigbo mmadụ, onye unu sịrị na ọwa ezigbo mmadụ. Okay, and Emeka Dominic, let me block you. Guy, be wise with your words and actions with church matters. I will block you. Oreka kwurusi na page mpụọ, ije na page ebe ahụ. Una ha do careful with omenala matter. You gotta go to ebe ahụ na do careless with words about omenala matter. When I want to say something, I say it because this is my platform. If you don't want to watch, you exit. But since you don't want to watch and you don't want to keep quiet, I will help you to leave this page. So I'm blocking you right away. Piam, we'll look at another account to share again. Ken, Palace of Justice, I like the way and manner you have maintained since you came out. This is not the Ken we used to know. The Ken we used to know. Who can know but the guy, actually, he get anything if you want to help the guy, why can't you just help the guy on a neutral? Why must you want to like to drag that guy into the beef on it? You want to drag that guy into saga with Indoka. You want to introduce him into saga with Indoka. God help with the saga in Aba. Allow Ken to have a moment of reflection. Allow Ken to bond with his family. Allow Ken to catch up with things so misery out. Allow that guy to rest. All these stories in I call this guy. It is still early, for God's sake. Somebody should tell you the truth. It is too early for people to start making noise around Ken. Allow him. If you have so much money, you want to help Ken, help him and stop making noise about it. Or you're taking 10 minutes or 30 minutes, so go on and brag. I'm only fearful of bragging. Do you even need anybody to tell you, JPAC, that you don't have money? You are just struggling and hustling. Can you maintain yourself and put yourself in the position of a hustler, which is what we are all hustlers. You don't have money. We are all hustlers. Stop bragging. Stop bragging. I brag is now. We are all hustling. Paying for our rentals. Providing our daily needs. And doing the extra we could do. You are not that person you are claiming to be. So stop this bragging you are doing. You are beginning to reduce yourself to able mazi yeju will gradually. But it seems like you don't know. It seems like you don't know. Every day, okay this, okay that, okay this, okay that. Are you Ken Palace of Justice? Are you the person who should tell Ken who his enemies are? Why are you building his heart with so much hatred? I'm asking you. Over on the side or you're taking 30 minutes. I will give you half of Ego to take care of your travel expenses. I will put my hand in my bank account and bring that money. Must you make noise about it? Bring out money and help Ken. Honoring yourself, thank you. Allow him to live the life he wants to live. Allow him to live the life he wants to live. You must not make noise before you give him money. Echiri neketa Ken aye zuru ike. O ni nyecha ye ga aketa. Echiri no puta okwozu join na saga nina. Ị na-achọ ka drag ya. Ị gwa ndị mmadụ na ọkwa onye nyere aka na page ye nina anwụchakwa na anwụọ. Inyeri aka advice ya on how to open a new page. Or open a new page. Inyeri aka we build other page. Na ọkwa nya ka ọ pụtara kịta. Ife do to ana-eme ọ chọghị bịa defend. Mana ngụ kịta onye ji aka yo na force onwe so ka iwe prove a point. So ka iwe end there up telling Ken that no nwere enemies. Are you Ken? Are you Ken? I am asking you. Are you Ken? Allow Ken to have some peace. Stop this instigation in eme. Echi ile kita, eji ikwu kita, ina pretend dey do peaceful. O nwere ife ndị ụka mekwara okita. Ijekwukwa ken na ala kosponye na ndị ụka isi ọnụ. O nwekwara ife ndị ụka meru. Ana m ajụ ajụjụ. Ejuka wee chụgụ ọchụchụ. Ejuka wee chụgụ ọchụchụ. Did you not just wed your wife in a church? Did you not just wed your wife in a church? Ọnụkwu alụsị ka ịkpọ nwunye uwe je gba akwụkwọ. What is all this? Gbalagbala foloko ụlọ ala. Ọnwụ na onwe onye chọrọ ịgwa gị eziokwu. Let me tell you the truth now. Gbalagbala foloko ọwụla ala. You are not came palace of justice. It wasn't your page. It wasn't your account. Allow Ken to tell his story. Allow Ken to tell his story the way he wants to tell his story. Allow him. Ogawa, you should tell the story of what happened to you and your stay in prison and when you came out. You should turn it into episode. Ken, let me quickly tell you. Things has changed from what it used to be those days. Onyango na ngada oyiwa na ho. Go jeru ngata. Another person nwere ike ije ngechi niile. If you come out, put yourself together. Go back into social media space. You already have the face. You don't need any publicity. Look for a decent contact. Look for a decent content and do. If you want to continue with your blogging, go and blog, do your blogging, and be at peace with all men. Be at peace with all men. Do not allow J-Pack to drag you yet into another saga. Do not allow him to drag you into another saga. That is what he is preparing you for. Do not allow him. I have seen a sign of change in everything. Because even when he was saying all those things, Ken was not even responding the way he was supposed to be responding. It is more like it's only him talking. And Ken was just listening. You gotta go. I feel somebody I like your piece like that guy. You know, show bagala. Look at it. The moment I announce on a Ken Apatago, it is now your duty to tell Ken who his enemies are. It is now your duty. In fact, you have now loved Ken more than every other person. You now love Ken more than every other person. If God had decided to use you to take care of returning back home expenses, Ken, so be it. Allow God to use you. Allow God to use you and let God use you in peace. Allow that guy to rest. Allow that boy to rest. Leave him alone. Go and face your life. Otu ife a na-accuse you n'ime. Ibidokwana me okwu ebe Ken no. Ozo kita ijekwa wotaba ife ya dey be Ken. Ko wepekwa one dem mmadụ saga. Because if you do good need eme, you are doing this one openly for people to see. You are doing this one now openly for people to see. That thing na accuse you n'ime na inbox. Epụtara na atụrụ ndị mmadụ saga material. Nya ka ị na-eme openly now. You are preparing Ken Palace of Justice now. You are preparing him now for future saga. J-Pack, go and look for peace. You are behaving like somebody. You are behaving like somebody who is lacking peace in his life. Go and seek peace. Seek genuine peace. That peace you need, it is only God Almighty that can give any man that kind of peace. Pray for that peace. When that peace comes into your life, you will begin to see life differently. Idukonye tolu na a very, 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 very sad condition of a polygamous family. Idukonye tolu na the most worst polygamous family anywhere. You lack peace. That is why you enjoy seeing brothers fight each other. Yes. You want to now recruit him with style because every other person you were hoping on to come and defend you, they have all failed you. They have all failed you. They have all moved on with their various lives. Now you want to systematically drag Ken into your saga. Pay money for him to come back. He will tell you thank you. What else do you want? God will bless you. Oh, bata. In fact, all the equal Ken, oh, bata. Mwa yenye Ken ego ye jigole uwasa. Webia kene. Kaya lisi no kene hu. Owulu na equal Ken, oh, so ki we go te. Oh, bata. Mwa ya maya kanapa. Wele ego nye Ken. Se gole hu. Webia kene hu. In fact, oboso ya bia kene hu de hu a. Mmeso ebia. Mmeso ebia kene hu. Fifo mu imerie. Ke kene to kwa yo. Na ọsọ ngo ya de kene ndị mmadụ. Owe support oke no nata. Ndị mmadụ ọha emeru ya since. Ya agụta mi gboro ni sugoro ndị mmadụ thank you. Ka sị anyị kwa thank you. Sị anyị dụkwa thank you. Ma ego dụkwa nke a ka ọ baa na dictionary. Na JPAC wepụtara n'ego buru ibu. Rielu mmadụ. Ọhọsị sọ n'inyere onye abịa ụdọ. Look at this empire. Look at this empire. Ị na-eme n'inyere aka. Onye na-agba 2024 model moto ihe egota ị na-ekwu n'inyere aka. Because no na-eme isi ya peji. O were ego nye were euro nye. Kedu the first person nyere wu euro? Are you not supposed to be counting this empire na contact inwere? Ịmakwo na ị suppose na-agụ ndị contact inwere ego this empire. Nwaanyị ịma na odugo established ka ị pụtara na-akụ na ndị inyere aka gụnụ ka inyerie. Aka gụnụ ka inyerie. Since you like money more, go na this empire. Who has benefited more financially? I'm asking you. Who has benefited more financially from each other since you like money more? And you have never denied liking money. You have said you like money. So, go at this empire. Can only help go to each other financially more. That they put on Facebook and I say, let this be the first time you will actually bring out money and help somebody. Kwa ya wechi ni ijezi ikwoku ya say mande nyeshala aka build the shallow page. Echi ni put say ni woputara ego ne do to 1.5 or 2 million. Spend the NC care. Ayakwolo aka. So let this be the first monetary assistance here nye money. Ọkụ dị agona governor eziokwu na-ekwu unu jikwa jeche ebe unu na-eje na-apụta fụ onye a na-eti ife. Did we not stop? But did we not stop? We even went there. Ana ife duka gono. Ana ife duka ana Rusianya. The other time we were coming out at that bridge. Then we saw whatever thing. And we did this thing. Onya we fineme. Onya we fineme. The other day we saw somebody they are beating. And you say, let us stop. We stopped and we went to help him. Oh, now we fineme. Oh no, very funny. You guys are becoming more funny and cheap day by day. Leave Ken Palace of Justice. That guy, Capital Ofo, allow that guy to have a moment of reflection. Do not take your toxic life to him. He doesn't need it at this point. That guy need to go to just reflect on life. Ishokwa ki Hebrew saga go bie yosubo. Ken Palace of Justice. Chetaku ife na gbal. Owolo na. NJ Njoko before my block wall. Jegodu NJ Okongwa before my block wall. Jedano Nwodi. Enwodi. Iwecho one day in your belly. You ought to go. As I was saying, what is all this? Ken, owunu no melu ye. Inata biano mwa yenye geu. So elu bulu na moto. Aye weje keneye. With the camera ko wani de funo merie. Ayezo yezo. Oh, if I'm a call, you ought to go. Kenya, JPAC helped you. Ezugo Global. You know JPAC has a very good heart. Love you. Okay, let me block you. go back to that page. Let me block you. But Ken Palace of Justice, it's just like a JPAC use you. Allah will use you. He is about to use you the same way he has been using others, recruiting them to saga. Do not allow him to do that to you. If he has chosen to help and assist you, say thank you. Help can come to anybody. If God can use him, has decided to use him to help you, all glory be to God. After all, Ohasho senior Madaga. Ohaseka de Delaka. So Yanya to one the Madaka. Ohasaya Dago, don't will contact ya when so walk. Go to quite as a contact. Now want to quite contact ya in when so we boy cannot go. Or say that one the mother to highest way group page. Page you could go to the Empire go. Anama Joe. Page ya here na brag ni me pay this empire. Ego ne ka page ya ku go this empire. Ego o nweta na page ya ko ji we je go 2024 model motor na agba. Ina agba 2024 model motor. Motor de blue na showroom. A landlady nostra. You know na Nigeria bamba. They help. Only God knows what you benefited from him. From her. I mean, you want to go? So, stop recruiting Ken Palace of Justice. Allow that guy to be. I watched your video and I said, no, I'm not going to waste time. I'm going to come and help Ken with this advice. Ken, the highest you can do now, my brother, is to be at peace with all men. Do not take side anywhere. Be you. Do what you have to do. Do not allow anybody to influence you. Be the Ken that you are. Do not allow him to bribe you. Or to very happy name Potago. Kiwe yikwa gano wo pota. You other go? Kiwe yiriga no bulu ko okpugu putakwa o ifo cholo mba ku isuru oku isela zbo ni isuru akwa ahoku su okpu ahoku before ekwensu we strike ya kibe bata na this guy I like ku munne no okwu na afukwana ozokito obokwa ndoka did you watch that video? Was he not practically instigating Ken against ndoka? Kiribe batana ndị mmadụ ndị otu ya agwa eziokwu ono instigate ko na instigate Ken against Ndoka, manipulating him emotionally, poisoning his mind against Ndoka. Ka Ken we yirikwa gown ya putakwa gbakwa Ndoka saga nyanwa amarusi ona ato ona ebuzi video na page maka kita ike aguge ona chosi ndo ya ezibu a ka o maruzie ka o report ba ahia wuri egbaru ego. Because kita nke ahụ nke oyi jigbara ego ọ nọ na defense mode now. Ọkwụ na docket onwe odu lawyer kwe represent ya ndị lawyer bịara represent ya hapụrụ ya gbafuo afụbụ okomode mmadụ ahụ echi niile ọ pụtakwa ọ sị na emere ya ego. But you know that what you are doing is not right. You know that what you are doing is not right. If you need to help go nyenu, help onyana, help onyeba, help onyeba. But who go on na choku umunne na anu ogo na atọ ụtọ. I thought you said that as a Christian you are supposed to preach peace. What you are preaching to Ken Palace of Justice in your program today, or peace in the far. Or peace in the far. Is that the best welcome you can give to Ken? Is that the abamume iyawa Ken? Is that the encouragement iyenye Ken? Must you hide your encouragement in recruiting him? Can't you help him? Without even agreeing with you? That is humanity, by the way. Yeah? Why can't you leave him? Let him decide his fate. Mepe another page. Happen doka. Ken I guess he now knows better. Even in a he nebu, okuloku, okuloku, ngono neku, ngono nasa, ngono neku, ngono nasa. Jepa ki je face kwanu marriage you, ni me pro word no fo. Ese na issue say that saga. Bona saga complete. Adana boy one leg. Adana boy one leg. Aya fucha na you can no longer disguise yourself anymore. You are like an open book now. People now know your move. When you blink, people know where you are going. When you before you even say Jack Robinson, people are managing fish or equal. When you move, people are managing being a jet. It is not like yesterday. So we know your gimmicks and antics. Do not bring it to care. Leave that guy. Let that guy go and put the pieces of his life together and move forward. Do not drag that guy into nonsense again. Yes. Do not drag him into care. This is an advice, my brother. This is an advice. If JPAC has decided to help you in whichever way he wants to help you, count him as one of those people God has sent to come and help you. Thank him so much. Remain grateful to him. Tell me, follow on social media. Can that man be very grateful to him? But if you want to recruit you into Ogojakeje daughter, do not agree with him. Do not agree with him. Prosaga mana na agbasaga one leg. Maybe for no another. Ndese na ha wondoka. Mana obi ha gbara gono. Keri ife ngo nwa na-eme. Iwu onye ogo mmụọ. Ihe onye ụka. Ijegebe n'ụka. Until such a day, also the care of the powers of justice, no reality ka ị na-ekwusi maka. Very confused human being. Very confused human being. You are allowing your emotion to be driving you into a dungeon that will be difficult for you to come out of it. Ihe emechakwa kwugharịa. Ndị niile kwuru before, ị na-ahụ ekwugharịa, ị ka ya emecha kwugharịa because nwoke na-eme etu isi eme, you will keep changing your words until such a time you will decide to stand and sit up like a man. You will keep changing your words. Echi niile kịta ọwụlụ Matthias ma ofu onye kpasuru gị iwe isugepukwe you will sit under another apology to ndị ụka. Go. If you chọrọ neutral, you want to be neutral. We are going to come to you and learn how to be neutral. You are the master of how to be neutral. You are the teacher of neutrality. In fact, go only introduce you. You will be the person to introduce the course and being neutral na university. Etu isi adu neutral, urukwu etu ese adu neutral. Neutral gbakwa ọkụ. Olus gomini nye from ife dictionary kwuru. Ndoka this, ndoka that, ndoka this, ndoka that, ndoka this, ndoka that. Nani ukwu onye ụka. Ọkwa ife ị na-eme kịta. Ọ onye ụka ka ewu. Ọ onye ụka ka ewu. Na TV etu a, na page ga etu a, nọlụ for over how many minutes na poison mind nwatakịrị. Na-edi ihe ọgụ ya anụ anụ. Na-atụrụ ya ka ndị ọya anụ sọ ọgụ n'ọpụta. Na-prepare akwa mind ya with so much hatred. Is that the best way to welcome people who got to prison and they take them back into the society to bond with the rest of the society? You know that go? Is that the best thing to do? Is that the best? Even mmadụ zuru ohi ewetu ya nga ọ nọrọ na nga ife ya da akụziri ewu ka ọ ghara ịfụ the society as na ha kpọrọ ya asị ka ọ na-afụta na these people kpọtara ya here for him or her to come and have a reflection and repentance. They will even teach you that prison is not prison per se, but Kerifa na kpọ there Kerifa na kpọ there something facility. Somebody shetara me van akpọ something facility. O nwere afọ ọzọ a na-akpọ fit perfectly into what prison should be. So they will try to make you so that you will not see the society as an enemy. Rather, you will see them from a place of love, because by them bringing you to prison, they are bringing you more like in a rehabilitation center, correctional facility. Yes, correctional facility. Thank you very much. They will make you to see that this is not really a prison to punish you, but that this is a correctional facility to correct you from that error which will be a prison. That is what they do. Kind of parts of this is Jesha Ngapota in a prepare, Nebuko Yomunigbe, Nebi Ebunduru, Nebi Eke, Nebuko Young Walk, Okay, Juano. Ken, Osborne Iko, Ngwa, Maloje Park, if on a bill. Or Niko Gado, if he wants to help you, let him help you. Say thank you. Ebatagban. Me go to you. Me nwege you. Egota mo ọkụkọ gbara agba ọtọrọtọrọ buru mebu na moto buy fuel ayebute ofu carton Heineken dodowe mo wa ejekwa gota Blue Label udi oje bi chikala dodowe jekeneye gbaa ya video tii na Facebook ka mba ụwa niile funu ijekene na edu grateful n'ifo menu. Then you live your life. You live your life. Biendo, let him not dictate for you. That life which he want to dictate for you is not present now. This is not those days. The time has changed, my brother. You have the face na social media that the mommy Ken will drop this video. Also, when you want to drop a video on a page, you will 100 followers. It will build within the space of 1 week. It will go to you one day. It will go to you. It will give you. You need to see advert. Happy for the baby. I'm gonna watch it. It's a what drag watch into it for him. You want to go? I hope now watch you resist the move. I hope na waja ye resist wu because they should go drag ya. But na waja dey share video na dey share ya the very money fe na eme or ya to 10,000 or 20,000 and simbakara o simbakara ke wo apa ma egbu igwe Angela Nwosu nde social media genius o ife won that the freeze etu akisi weche manipulate Igwe credo emotionally drag her into your mess. Igwe credo do very wise galu uje wal e shock e drag ya this empire galu uje wal e shock e drag a lot of people into it and tell you abandon wo uje wal. You now want to see the opportunity now care on other in a vulnerable state. He take advantage of his vulnerability now. You want to VDM Dalo Chitra no mafe VDM aye follow Tunde Ednot Mr. Bioda. He take advantage of conditional care now. He will strike here. Can be wise. Be wise though. Be wise. I believe you know better. Because now I'm again to see on a so speaking in tongue and the blessing CEO. I'm again to see so speaking in tongue. Name rap in our name. Nature can me for can you can actually you can actually you on eku if I shall ka ken say makachukwu ndo kamelunga akusayo na eme nka na ndo kamelunga if aka na eche ka ken kwuo gist lover dalo o if aka na eche ka ken kwuo ka o ma no nwuru okwu ken ya ekwu ka o we just screen record post we dey he don say ken is preparing for ndoka ken ma wuo ife na ekwe so o oge ọ na-agwa Ken maka ọnwụ na ọ bidokwa peji ka ọ pụta bịa gbalọwa ego ji Ken jụọ ya Facebook ọ ka na-akwụ ụgwọ biko gwara m n'otekwana n'ọnụ mana mamozi ife a na-ekwu. Ken was trying to shift away from all those messages of hate, but he was busy dragging Ken into that side abort tubenu yafa side abort kelafa nwanyị a kelafa this woman no buso we go into blogging kelafa tu abana yafa nwanyị a maka angel tubenu yafa ebia ebi ogoken gwenya mepe Palace of Justice update one day mmadụ ife pass gasị through na-eme in episode ime ye echi anya waja echi anya ụdị echi anụ ụdị echi a link the gauge etugoro nyatụ ndị Ednot link the gauge blog Ken ị na-agbakwo ọkpagho na akụ n'azụ Kọla Obide ị na-agbakwo ọkpagho na akụ n'azụ isi azụkwara na m agwaghị agwa. Do not say I did not tell you. Ebe ahụ ịfụlụ you gotta go. So be very very careful. I don't think na m na-ekwukarị ebe a you gotta go because o nwere pọmpụ anyị gbaa n'abalị ya pọmpụ ahụ na-akpụ ọfụma ebe a ka m ma hapụ ya. I just nsị ka m nwere opportunity advice ya Ken my brother live a peaceful life on Facebook. Do not allow them to drag you into this thing and na Facebook. It is no more the way it used to be, brother. Look for content. You are Ken, you are full of talent. Pursue one of our numerous of our blog like you used to blog. He introduced a news to until the day had decided they drag you into loggerhead with the minister. He is trying to drag you again back into having clash with Akusayon and Ndezayon or Ndoka, like he always put it. Wisdom is profitable to direct. Let your wisdom guide you. Do not give that deceiver and manipulator a chance. Do not reject his favor. Nariye with yakanabu. Niye ofuma. Open ticket. No look. Cross all your belt. Take off and landing. Ebataluha. Shogoni yasiani shorezugo or denu mu message na inbox from Apollo ngubonye eje go talk ko mo tolotolo or ewu. Ayebute Henneken dokwase n'elu anya niengu aya chọrọ JPAC gidi beye buri ebutu boy na camera say nwanne m with 1 carton of 0 bitters aya say nwanne m ayi say ayi bịa kelee gị n'ihe ọma imere nwanne anyị na-asị ka se buru ụwa wee gozie elu wee gbaa ume wee nye nwoke nye nwaanyị gozie ego na nwunye ihu ụlọ ya ada apụ na-abata anya ndị ire anyị afọ ụlọ ka Chineke ana m ekpuchi unu n'ọbara Jizọs elu ga-ekpe ezigbote ekpere tinye na Facebook ụwa niile afọ na Ken bịa kene n'ife ọma imerie ọ gabala onwe ife ọ chọrọ iji ndụ eme onwere emelu ọhụngụ ya design ife ọ eji ndụ ewe eme ekwuchakwana m ka ọ ha n'ọnụ. Let it be on record today that I said this. Nevertheless, Ken, Palace of Justice, you are welcome. You are welcome back. Freedom is expensive. If you ever have that freedom, do not act like you don't know where you are coming from. You need a break, first of all. Not break from social media, but break from controversy. That man who is trying to bring you back into controversy and saga doesn't love you. He doesn't love you. He doesn't love you. That is all I can say. You are welcome. Thank you very much. Share this video and have a pleasant night rest.